Tampa, with its warm, sunny climate, offers a great lifestyle, but it also presents some unique challenges when it comes to keeping your home energy efficient. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy performance is through quality window installation. Windows are not just a way to enjoy the view. They play a significant role in regulating the temperature and energy use within your home. Here's how upgrading your windows can make a noticeable difference in your home's energy efficiency in Tampa. Reduction in heat gain and loss. In Tampa, the heat from the sun can be intense, especially in the summer. Traditional windows, particularly older ones, allow a lot of heat to seep into your home, causing your air conditioning system to work overtime. This leads to higher energy consumption and an uncomfortable living environment. Installing energy-efficient windows, such as those with low emissivity coatings or dual-pane glass, helps minimize the amount of heat entering your home. These windows are specifically designed to reflect heat back outside, reducing the load on your HVAC system and keeping your interior cooler during those hot Florida summers. In winter, they also help retain warmth inside, improving year-round comfort. Enhanced insulation. One of the primary roles of windows is to provide insulation against the outdoor elements. Poorly insulated windows can lead to drafts, making your home feel colder or warmer than it actually is. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, resulting in higher energy bills. Modern windows, especially those with a foam core or gas fills between panes, like argon or krypton, provide superior insulation. By creating a more effective barrier between the inside and outside of your home, these windows reduce the need for constant temperature regulation. Whether it's sweltering summer or cooler winter months, well-insulated windows keep your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows are a long-term investment that can significantly reduce your utility bills. In Tampa, where air conditioning is often used year-round, the savings can be considerable. By preventing excessive heat gain during the summer and improving insulation during the winter, your HVAC system doesn't have to run as frequently, which translates to lower energy usage. While the upfront cost of new windows can seem daunting, it's important to consider the long-term savings. Over time, the reduced energy consumption can make up for the cost of the window installation. Many homeowners in Tampa find that, on average, the savings on their energy bills can offset the initial investment in just a few years. Noise reduction. Tampa's vibrant lifestyle includes its fair share of noise, whether it's from traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activities. Energy-efficient windows are designed to be not only heat and cold barriers but also sound barriers. The thicker, more insulated glass reduces the amount of noise that enters or escapes your home, providing a quieter, more peaceful living space. This is particularly beneficial if your home is located near busy streets or in a densely populated area of Tampa. By upgrading your windows, you create a more serene environment while also improving your home's overall energy efficiency. UV protection. Tampa is known for its sunny days, and while you might love the natural light, UV rays from the sun can cause serious damage to your furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Energy-efficient windows often come with UV-blocking coatings that can help prevent sun damage inside your home. By reducing the amount of harmful UV rays entering through your windows, you not only preserve the interior of your home but also prevent the fading and deterioration of your belongings. This added protection extends the life of your home's interior, helping you avoid costly replacements or repairs. Increased property value. Upgrading your windows isn't just an energy-efficient decision, it can also boost your property value. Homebuyers today are increasingly aware of the benefits of energy efficiency and are willing to pay a premium for homes that have energy-efficient features, including windows. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the near future or just want to increase its overall value, investing in energy-efficient window installation can be a wise financial decision. It's a feature that appeals to prospective buyers and can help your home stand out in the competitive Tampa real estate market. Conclusion. In Tampa, where the heat and humidity can drive up energy costs, investing in energy-efficient window installation is a smart choice for homeowners looking to improve comfort and reduce utility bills. With benefits ranging from reduced heat gain and improved insulation to increased property value, new windows are a practical and cost-effective solution to enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to save money on your energy bills, improve indoor comfort, or increase the resale value of your property, upgrading your windows can deliver lasting results.